A case study of inflammatory arthritis with progressive joint destruction. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Rheumatoid arthritis is a systemic inflammatory syndrome with autoimmune features, with a predominant expression in peripheral synovial joints. A clinical evaluation remains the cornerstone for evaluating early arthritis, determining whether arthritis is present or not, differentiating between the inflammatory or non-inflammatory disease, and deciding on the etiology of the arthropathy. Rheumatoid factor Rf and antibodies to citrullineated peptide ACPA have been detected in patients with RA years before the onset of symptoms, evidence that the disease process begins in the preclinical phase, before the onset of symptoms. This study presents a case of aggressive rheumatoid arthritis of wrist joints misdiagnosed as infectious arthritis, which has led to the total joint destruction within a period of 3 years. The patient, a 57-year-old female, presented with complaints of severe pain, swelling and functional disorders of the left wrist joint at the beginning of 2013. She started complaining in December 2010 during the flu infection, accompanied by conjunctivitis. The flu lasted for a month and resulted in severe complications. Rheumatoid factor Rf and antibodies to citrullineated peptide ACPA have been detected in patients with RA years before the onset of symptoms, evidence that the disease process begins in the preclinical phase, before the onset of symptoms. In this case, it was noticed in the lab tests that the ACPA antibodies were serologically positive for Rf. According to the ACR 2010 criteria, the consultant in rheumatology affirmed the preliminary diagnosis of rheumatoid arthritis. Unfortunately, the delay in confirming the diagnosis and the destruction of the left wrist led to arthrodesis. Introduction. Rheumatoid arthritis (RA) is a long-lasting disease where the body's immune system mistakenly attacks the joints, leading to pain, swelling, and stiffness. Over time, this can damage the cartilage and bones, causing permanent joint deformity and disability. RA affects women more often than men and is more severe in older adults. Although it is the most common autoimmune joint disease, diagnosing it early can be difficult since its symptoms can be similar to other illnesses. Newer guidelines introduced in 2010 have made it easier for doctors to spot RA early, which is important because early treatment can prevent long-term damage. While treatments have improved greatly in recent years, many patients still do not respond to the first line of therapy. Prompt and accurate diagnosis, followed by effective treatment, gives patients the best chance at living a better life with fewer complications from the disease. Conclusion. Rheumatoid arthritis (RA) is a long-term disease where the immune system attacks the body's own joints, especially small and medium joints on both sides of the body. It affects about 0.51% of adults in Europe and North America. Scientists have found that signs of RA, like certain antibodies Rf and ACPA, can appear in the blood years before symptoms begin. This means the disease often starts silently in the body before any joint pain or swelling is felt. In one case, a patient tested positive for these antibodies, confirming RA under the 2010 medical guidelines. However, because the diagnosis was delayed, the damage to the patient's left wrist became so severe that it required arthrodesis, a surgical procedure to fuse the bones together. This case highlights how early testing and diagnosis are key to preventing permanent joint damage in RA. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.